What's going on, guys? It's been a while since we made a video about NIO. I'm so pumped up to talk about NIO. It got a lot of exciting things happening, starting with the delivery numbers they just delivered over the weekend and the NIO day coming up this weekend. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe so that you don't miss out any information coming out of NIO. And let's begin. To start and to put everybody on page, NIO was founded in 2014, headquartered in China, and employs about 7,400 employees and offices all across the globe. This is a big company, guys. This is not a Mickey Mouse penny stock. Let's continue. At the time of this recording, NIO is trading at $53. That's an 82 billion market cap and also 175 daily volume. Now let's look at the chart. Looking at the charts, guys, you will see that the blue line is the price line and the green line will be the 200 moving average and the purple will be the 50 moving average. NIO price, of course, has stayed above those two lines, the 50 MA and the 200 MA. That signifies a bullish momentum. If in any case the price had to dip below those two lines, that would be a bearish signal and I'll start pumping brakes. For now, my strategy is to DCA dollar cost average on my way up. So long the price stays above those two lines, so now let us look at the trend of the market cap. Quarterly, we have seen that NIO has been increasing its market cap. Now that's important. Even though in the last week, NIO had to put some more stocks on the market in order to raise capital, just like XPeng, Tesla, they were also doing the same in order to raise capital. Market cap relatively stayed up. Now NIO completed those capital raises with the price staying around $49. Today, NIO is sitting at 53 with a solid consolidation around lower 50s. Now remember, the highest price we have seen with NIO is around $57. Today we're sitting at $53. We're not too far from the resistance, $57 resistance. Now remember what happened around the $25. We just blew those numbers. We never saw those numbers. We went kind of like blew through the $23, $25. We never saw those, and I think this is what's going to happen. After a good consolidation, I think we are ready to blow through the 50s and settle a little bit in the 60s before making another leg up between the 70s and 80s. Now, guys, as you know, this stock is not a penny stock. However, it has got relatively small market cap. That means any injection from the big boys, institutions coming with billions of dollars can drive easily the price up. We're gonna get to the people who are investing with NIO. Let's get into it right now. Guys, it's important to know who's invested in NIO. Bailey, Guilford and Company holding about $2.3 billion in NIO. BlackRock holding about $1.5 billion in NIO. Vanguard holding about $700 million in NIO. Guys, there's a lot of institutions holding this stock. These are traditional, what we call the professionals. These guys are going in by the billions. Like I said earlier, any infusion by these guys coming in with the billions can drive the price way up. We can breeze through the 70s and 80s in no time. So guys, now let's talk about the delivery numbers that just came out this weekend. December delivery numbers are out and let's talk about it, guys. Year after year, NIO has been killing the game. Remember, guys, expectations were like NIO wasn't going to even produce 6,000 vehicles in the month of December. They did exceed that expectation and produce 7,000 vehicles, which was remarkable. Now let's talk about the NIO day coming up this Saturday. This is going to be another fantastic news coming from NIO happening this Saturday, guys. There'll be a lot of excitement. What we know and what they have confirmed is that they're going to announce a new sedan. Now with that, what I'm personally excited about the sedan is sedans are relatively smaller. They've got smaller tires. They're compact, a little smaller. That means they don't use a lot of parts. The car is going to be a little lighter than the SUV. With that, two things could happen. That means the car could go further before you could charge the battery again, and also the price could just come down. Now those two are equally important. If they could announce on NIO Day that they have a battery that could go 600 miles before getting charged, that would be a big game changer. With the price, NIO could capture another market segment for people who wouldn't afford the SUV but could with the price coming down with the sedan. Equally important, guys, and I'm excited about all these things happening with NIO. They're also expected to announce technology surrounding the autonomous driving. Big technology, guys, and these guys, it could be a leader in this technology. Guys, here on this channel, we put our money where our mouth is, guys. We invested and we just doubled up on NIO. We think NIO is heading up to $70, $80 on its way to $100. We think this stock is just getting started. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, subscribe so that you don't miss out the latest on NIO. Cheers, guys.